Today I'm going to show you how to make captions for your talking videos the easy way. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and if this is your first time, my goal is to help build your self-esteem while you're creating your social media presence. And if you know that your content is good, that makes you feel good. And that's my goal. I have another way of creating captions because I want to add some of my personal touch there and put them in different places. But this one is easy so that at least you can get your reel up and running. You're probably gonna say like, I don't need captions, like I have my video, I have my talkies, and I'm fine. The thing is, because I have experienced issues where Instagram audios disappeared, like 3 or maybe now more from my audio reels, then I don't ever want that to happen again. And that's why captions are very, very important for your reels. Number 1, if there's a malfunction with the audio, if there's an Instagram audio issue, then you still get to share your message through the captions and you don't talk without words. Make sense, right? Well, that's how I looked in my first Instagram reel where the audio was pulled by the content creator. But I didn't want to remove it because it had views. And as of that time, of course, it made sense. Number 2, sometimes when you have an accent, like I have an accent, it's hard for people to understand you. So captions are a great saving grace. They just need to read the captions and don't really have to follow what you're saying. So that makes me feel a little bit more equipped. Number 3, Instagram started as a photo sharing app, so very visual. People would scroll and see the photos, etc. But now that Instagram is really pushing for videos, I suddenly thought of those who are hearing impaired, who now can see you talking and you don't have all these photos because you're talking, and now they can't hear you, right? So captions play a huge role. Number 4, emphasis. Your captions allow you to emphasize your words or key points in your message. You can use brighter colors, bigger fonts, different fonts, just to emphasize and to stress what you're trying to say. Stress. Punch that. And I'd say it adds a little bit more drama, like when you put it somewhere here or here. Of course, you have the stickers too, but we'll talk about that in a later video. Number 5, your caption is your assistant. If you don't want to do a lot of talking, or if you don't want to talk at all, then let your captions do the talking. They are your assistant for free. Use them well. Number 6, retention. Because you are relating to different faculties, you capture your audience better. They see what you're doing, they hear what you're saying, and they read your message. So you're actually delivering your message through different faculties. You see, our goal is to provide our audience with a happy, satisfying experience on our platform. Some of you are probably wondering how you can find your happy weight. Some of you are probably wondering how you can find your happy weight, your happy shape. I just said really like videos because it's fast and easy. I just start talking. And then now with captions, oh my gosh, it's perfect, right? Okay. My goal is to make you feel that you are ready. And when you know that you're ready, then you feel good about yourself. And then you enjoy social media, right? I hope that you found this episode useful. Do give it a like, comment, and share. And please consider subscribing because I really want to help you grow. And I love sharing. We are a family. We are a community. So sign up for my newsletter. And then that way you get updated with things that are coming up, like tutorials, workshops, new shows, blog, whatever. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.